Hi guys, welcome back. So me and Zach are right here in the car. There's a lot of traffic right now. We're on our way to the mall, and I thought there wouldn't be anybody because of everything that's going on. As you guys know or may not know, the Japanese schools have shut down till when? March 16th, 20?
Something like that.
Yeah, I don't know when, but the Japanese schools are shutting down. So everybody's like,
it's Corona time, fool.
some areas are like empty, but some of them are like if it's vacation time. But also people are freaking out, so like you always have to have a mask on, and we don't have one on right now, but a lot of the people currently everywhere you go, especially like on the train stations, you have to wear a mask or like they'll look at you weird even if you cough. Yesterday I went downtown Tokyo and I didn't plan on wearing a mask, but everybody was like coughing and sneezing and people didn't have masks on. And I know this is not going to prevent you, right? Like prevent you from getting sick.
No, I mean, it's something, but
I still wore it only because people like weren't covering their mouths. So I only have one because we ran out, and
they're sold out.
Yeah, they're like sold out. Like hand sanitizer sold out, toilet paper. It's crazy. We're gonna go see how the mall is. Zach has to go try on some shoes that he wants to buy online, but he wants to go try them on first so we can see that it's the right size. Which shoes? Oh, we'll show you guys when we're at the mall.
The vapor flies or whatever. The
Vaporflies.
one with the carbon plate in the shoe.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to the mall right now. Hopefully it's not that busy, and I don't know what else we're gonna do.
Get faded.
We're out here looking for shoes, and the first thing I think about was like Shane Dawson when I saw these glitter ones, because I just watched his new video. Oh, it's so cute. Sonic. Can you record me going through it?
The cringy.
You guys, right now we are here at the like arcade, right? Oh my god, look, they're so cute. Which one should we play? Oh, look, my Badowski. Oh my gosh. Should we try to get the strawberry one? It's because it always like hits too hard up here and it makes it fall. Watch, it's already gonna fall. I hope it doesn't bounce farther.
It's gonna bounce backwards. It's going backwards.
No, that was weak. We just left the little arcade because we lost. We spent like $8 trying to get the Yoshi, but it just kept falling and bouncing off. These are the new cherry blossom Starbucks cups, but they're so expensive. They're cute, but they're $39. I am doing a cherry blossom giveaway, but these are so expensive.
Would you guys like coffee in the giveaway?
Oh yeah, that'd be good. Like,
they're whole beans, you gotta grind them yourself.
this is the Sakura Frap. Yeah. They have little, like, it doesn't focus. They have little beer spots. They have bread, ramen.
They had a ramen slime in.
Oh really? Let me see. And these are all like $2. So I'm about to get ramen slime. I got an egg and one with pork in it. I'll open it right now. Tiny little washing machines. They have this, a little radio, measuring machines. These are all little stuff. Okay guys, so right now we are going to 7-Eleven and we're gonna try the new well, it's not really that new, but it's the like slushy machine. So they have Sprite and Coke flavor. I'm probably gonna get the Sprite. I'm not a huge fan of Coke, but this is my first time gonna try it. Oh. So you're supposed to get the soda you're gonna get first, and then you have to pay for it. So did I pay for it already?
Sure.
Or do you want to get our stuff first?
I'm gonna get it.
So we're at 7-Eleven right now. They have like winter clothes, pens, chargers, lighters. Zach is right here about to get soda. Me and Zach haven't ate lunch or dinner, so we're probably gonna get food here. Oh, they got cherry one.
Yeah.
Oh, they got strawberry white sour.
Oh,
So they got this one and cherry.
I'm gonna grab one.
So after you pay for your thing, you're gonna get this one, like this. Oh, everything is done.
Got the rhino pills. Look, let me see.
Let me see. Do we go out here? I don't want it to fall.
Alright, let me see.
Do you see it?
Yeah, it's like ice.
Look, you guys. Let me see the ice.
Hey, you gotta drink it though.
Look, it's all ice now. It's good, huh?
Yeah. Slushy Sprite.
So I didn't even finish recording inside the mall because we originally were gonna go for Zach's shoes, and I ended up getting 2 pairs of shoes. Oh my god, I felt so bad because I honestly just thought they were cute, you know?
Yossi, tell us how many shoes I got.
Oh my god, I almost flipped them off. 0. This is so good. Oh my god. So I don't know if you can see, but the ice is like floating and it's so cold, and it tastes so good. If you guys have one, I think they're barely coming up with these. I don't know if there's one in the States, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna start putting them more out there. They have Coke and they have a Sprite. This Sprite one is so good. The flavor is a little bit strong, but it honestly isn't that bad because once it's cold, the fizziness tastes even better. Yeah. So I got 2 pairs of shoes. I am in love with them, you guys. I have been wearing my Pumas mostly. I'm really bad at buying shoes only because it's hard to find my size here, but I actually found my size. And I also have the little ramen slime and the mochi donut I got. I haven't opened it yet. So this is one pair of shoes that I got. They're so adorable, and I don't know if you can tell here, but this is reflective and this is reflective. You can't really catch, oh yeah, you can a little bit. And this is reflective. So they're really big. I really love big shoes also because I'm really short. I'm 5'3", and these give me like, they make me feel more confident, like a little bit taller, and my legs look better. And it has a little strap to make them more like comfortable. Zach's shoes didn't have his size, so he didn't even like.
We went to the mall for some shoes for me. I came back with none. She came back with 2 pairs.
One for you and one for me if you want to borrow them. Oh my god, so these are my favorite pair. These are my favorite pair of shoes. I was debating on getting gray ones, but honestly I was like, you know what? Like I really like pink and I'm just gonna go for it. And they're all like chunky. Oh no, I didn't try that one. Pink lemonade.
It smells like grapefruit, but
You
don't like it?
It's sour.
That shit's fire.
So this is my other pair. They're so cute. So it's like a nude pink. Would you say nude pink?
Yeah, like a nude pink, like a salmon pink, I guess.
And right here you can wear like this whatever sock is gonna like go on here, but I have white socks or like black socks, and they're so comfortable, you guys. Like inside you can't feel it, but the shoe sole is kind of like bubbly. I forgot to show you guys, the bottom of these shoes are like this. Monta's gonna want this. It's like really wrapped. Me and Zach forgot to get like lunch and dinner, so I literally just got a beef bowl from 7-Eleven. I was like eating one in my 7-Eleven video here on YouTube if you guys want to go look at that one. So it's the little eggs and the little pork slice with the ramen noodles. This is like really well wrapped. Oh, that's weird. So I think they're like stickers. Oh my god, look. It's like the broth and noodles. It's like really, it's actual noodles.
Is it?
I think maybe you add water. This looks so gross. It looks like worms. I don't know what that is, honestly. I also have, ew, like the stuff is all over my fingers. It looks like boogers. Now I have this other mochi donut. Oh, this is like those cute little donuts you like.
Which one? Is it? Oh, the old-fashioned ones?
Mm-hmm.
Those are
Oh, that stinks so bad. It's like the little squishies. Ew, I'm not gonna say what it looks like, honestly, but you guys can imagine.
What does it look like? Yes.
I don't know. I gotta keep this away from like my ferrets because they will eat that up.
Maybe see what it looks like.
So cute. I think right now I'm just gonna relax. It's like a kind of slow Saturday, and he's gonna drink. I'm gonna eat my, oh my god, that looks so gross. I'm gonna eat my beef bowl.
I'm gonna give him a review real quick on this one.
He's gonna give you guys a review of the 9% chuhai.
Yup.
This cherry. I feel like it's gonna taste like medicine.
Oh, they threw the little cherry blossom.
Dude, my hands are like filled with that nasty ramen thing. Medicine.
No, not really. Try it.
Smells like medicine.
The aftertaste a little bit is like medicine. I think it's good. I think it's fine.
It tastes like medicine.
No, it don't.
But yeah, you guys, I'm getting the video right there. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos. Hopefully we get to go downtown Tokyo and record down there. It's kind of crazy right now with the whole coronavirus thing going on.
Send us a care package of masks.
No, we don't really need them. But yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys later.
Oh, Don and Jesus, my
okay,
boy.
see you guys. Bye.